You say you want it all: wealth, freedom, respect. But you're not moving forward. You're stuck. And I know why. Because your focus is on other people, what they see, and what they think. But when no one is watching, you take off your mask. You lay down your ambitions. You don't put in the work. We're going to go through the most critical points that will get you to really understand this so that you can finally turn things around. Part 1. The mask comes off. Public hustle is cheap theater. The crowd claps, dopamine spikes, nothing in your life changes. Drop the mask. If every move you make is for spectators, you're an actor, not a builder. Remove the sentence, "I hope they notice," from your mind. Feel sick if you have the slightest thought of doing anything so that others notice. Treat attention like sugar. Tastes good in the moment, but kills you long term. There's no more performing anymore. The mask doesn't serve you. It never has. Now that you've made the decision, you can progress to the next part. Part 2. The private rulebook. Success starts with a dark, silent chapter. It requires you to set some very clear rules. And these rules will go against your nature, but trust me and put in the work. Rule 1. Work with no witnesses. Get up before anyone else and put in the work in secret. Hustle the hardest when it's not possible for others to notice. Feel the exhilaration of moving ahead without anyone knowing. You should get addicted to this thrill. Use this as a replacement for the high you used to chase from the praise of others. Rule 2. Metrics live in a locked notebook. No posts, no selfies, no brag tweets, no counting the likes like a junkie, no hunting for verbal cues from others, no counting the number of people that give you praise. Lift the weight, record the set, shut the book. What you track for your progress can only be seen by you. Rule 3. Rewards stay invisible. Did you meet your goal? Good. Celebrate in silence. The world finds out later when results are clear. If you made it this far, you're pretty serious about making progress. Get the free transformation guide that I put together in the link in the video description. It will help give you the right start with whatever transformation you want. Part 3. Weaponize isolation. Isolation isn't punishment. It's a forge where the real work is done and progress is made. Use isolation to your advantage. Embrace isolation. Become one with it and never look back. Remove distraction. Mute every notification that doesn't pay you or grow you. Singular focus. One objective at a time. Multitasking is public school propaganda. Dedicated times. Block 2 sacred hours daily where nobody gets access and all you do is put in the work. Protect these blocked times like you would moments of religion. These are when sweat turns into gold and your future becomes more real. Part 4. The mirror audit. The only audience that matters is staring back at you in a mirror. It will be wise for you to redirect all of your need for praise to the one looking back at you. Stand in front of a mirror each night and ask the person you see these 3 questions. Did I keep today's promises? Did I avoid getting validation from others? Did I put in the work today to get us closer to our future vision? If you can't say yes, then tell yourself, I let you down. I'm sorry. I will set it right tomorrow. Respect that person in the mirror. That is the only person you need to care for and impress from now on. You don't serve anyone else. Part 5. Proof without promotion. Stop telegraphing your punches. True fighters move in silence, then end the match in one blow. Embrace the surprise and shock of your success rather than the real time broadcasting of your plans. Training montages happen off camera. Actual business launches replace announcements. Results instead of cheap explanations. When the world finally asks, "How did you do that?" Smile, shrug, and keep moving. Keep them wondering. The more they know you and understand you, the less power you have. Part 6. Play it like a game. You're a different person now. You play by different rules. Before, you used to want people to know everything. Now, you play a different game. Your scoreboard tracks how little everyone knows and how mysterious you become. You get energized and fueled by how secretly you move through the world and how much you amass in private. Once you train yourself to live by these different rules, your view of the world changes and you become unstoppable because you are not pulled by the same gravity as everyone else. You rise by default. Part 7. 2 actions to start. I think you get it now. If not, watch the video again. Or maybe it's just not your time yet. But for those that get it, here are 2 tools that will help you on this private journey. Number 1, the 10-year private vision. Start a document that only you see. Write down your ideal life in 10 years. Describe the life of your dreams. Write it down in detail. If words don't do it justice, copy and paste images that represent your destination. No one sees this but you. Review it every night. Feed your mind with your goals, and your hard work in secret will take you there. Trust. Number 2, the future letter. Write a letter to yourself as the future you. Have him praise you for dedicating your hard work to privacy and putting in the effort to get you to your future vision. Have the future you be thankful for your current decisions. Have your future you describe the life they are living and how it is the life of your dreams, and that you are only a few big decisions away from it. Who you become in empty rooms writes the script the world will watch later. If you're committed to the silent hustle, tap subscribe, then disappear and get to work. Then make your claim in the comments. What will you do today in the shadows to take you further? And if you'd like more powerful tips to achieve your life goals, watch these videos next.